Hey y'all, it is JasmineReneé here. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can guess, today I am going to be showing you guys how to do my two-strand twists. So let's get into it. So first off, I'm going to start off with sectioned off damp hair. I do about 4 sections, and I like to start off with the leave-in conditioner. So today I'm using the Mielle Organics White Peony leave-in conditioner. Then I like to follow up with the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream and kind of use the praying hands method to distribute the product throughout my strands. And then I'll follow up with the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse and just kind of begin twisting my hair into the size that I desire. And once I get towards the ends, I like to just twirl them around my finger to give me that coily effect, and then just do the same thing all over my head. Sometimes if I feel like the twist section is a little tangled, I'll use a smaller tooth comb to kind of help detangle and also add some definition, and then proceed with twisting as I normally do. Alright, one section done, tons more to go. Alright, so you can just see here a more slowed down version of how I twist my hair. So really simple, honestly. I try to keep the two pieces separate. So by that I mean I try not to borrow hair from the other piece or section of the twist, just in case I want to take it down the next morning. It'll make takedown way easier and cause way less frizz and all of those things. It just kind of helps to keep things nice and neat and in order. So that's just a little tip in case you decide to take it down the next morning. But with this, I'm actually gonna end up wearing the twist all week. Alright, so once I get done twisting everything, I kind of like to go back through and use my microfiber towel to soak up any extra moisture that I have, and not moisture from the product, but more so like water and stuff that I use to dampen my hair, because I just don't want to go to bed with soaking wet hair. So as you can see, we are all done. The products have left my hair super moisturized and full of life, so I am thoroughly pleased with my new lineup that I use for my two-strand twists. But yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.